Good morning, LA students, Mr. Lurkey's LA students. Long time no see. Just want to point out a few things for you quickly. Um, the thing that you hopefully can see here on your screen is the distance education page that was hopefully sent out by our principal or superintendent. If not, I did send a link to you on Google Classroom. You can bookmark this page. Basically, if you're fifth, sixth grade, doesn't really matter. You can find Lurkey's language arts in grade 6. So language arts, Lurkey, it might be in grade 5 too, I don't know. Go here. Basically how we have this set up is it's pretty much work for you to do throughout the week. This first week's going to be pretty straightforward and simple, something that you've known about before. Um, Things we've done before, so don't worry about that. But basically, we have, just a little information, and then each day I have laid out with our learning targets, the same way we used to do on the smartboard, action steps, 30 minutes in chapter books, so your time, and reading log. We'll do some quick writes. This is just basically how you can get into the Scholastic Scope magazine here. If you have your magazine and you don't want to access the online stuff, that's fine, but you can play around trying to access it online too. Then there's an audio that you can listen to this stuff too. Um, Action step 4, deadly hits. Action step 5. I do want you to fill out this link eventually just to see how things are going. Otherwise, it's going to be laid out pretty easy for the first week. We'll see how this goes. Next week, I'm kind of planning on doing a novel study based on the book Home of the Brave. So, um, and then hopefully doing some Zooms or Google Hangout meets and seeing if we can interact a little bit that way. But I just want to test the waters here and see how you're doing. Hopefully, you're doing fine. And I look forward to interacting with you more now that we're back on track. So good luck with this. Hopefully this video, I can figure out how to upload it onto YouTube and we can make sense of it. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Don't forget to email me, check in, Google Hangout meets anytime you need. I'm sitting here. This is my job. I got time to be interacting with students. All right. Talk to you later.